What is going on, YouTube? How are you guys doing? Today we're gonna do a thing. Actually, go into the other truck. I forgot. Quick update on everything that's kind of going on. Today we're gonna go for a drive, get some more footage. You know, kind of talk about the ride and everything. Still need to wrap some things up. Still need to make some adjustments, but kind of wanted to get this done. Didn't really feel like working on too much stuff today, so why not drive? So update. I have made a dual steering stabilizer and like mounts and everything. So these are just like Monroe gas steering stabilizers, whatever you want to. They're like normal O'Reilly stuff. I need to get some spacers and stuff. Like it didn't come out perfect because I didn't really plan out too well, like always. But anyways, I used a 2-inch exhaust clamp and welded on custom tabs. I guess I used just plate steel and welded on a bracket. Same thing, I used a 3.5-inch exhaust clamp and same idea, just welded on plates, all kind of gusseted everything, and they're solid, they're not going nowhere. And I've driven, and what a world of difference. I was like all over the road before. Drive straight as an arrow now, can do 70 on the highway just fine with this, and it's perfect. So first things first, I'm gonna go grab my GoPro mount so I can put it in this truck for the drive, and then we'll kind of just go over the drive and talk about everything. Alright guys, I do not have AC in this, so it definitely makes it a little hot and a little hard to record, but anywho, as for going down the road, it's not too super bad. It drives a lot straighter now that I have the steering stabilizers on. I still need a sway bar. That would probably make me happy. And well, other than that, I mean, it cruises really nice. It's really super smooth. I don't know if you guys can, you know, it's nothing too crazy. The ZF6 is kind of noisy, but it's not too bad. I guess you just turn your music up and forget about it. Maybe it's just this one, maybe this one's bad, I don't know. It doesn't grind gears or anything, but just maybe it's the clutch too. The clutch is pretty noisy. And yeah, other than that, I'm super stoked with it. I have it on stage 3 right now. So we're going to use the drone and take some footage of everything and use the GoPro. And this is 38s on stock gear, and it's starting in second. It's pretty easy to drive. It's not really too bad. tomorrow's video is the fuel tables at the top of like automatic tune, they cut off for shifts. So this thing cuts off fuel at about, it starts dropping fuel around 2,800 RPMs, I believe. Maybe a little less, I really gotta look at it, but other than that, it's pretty good. I got a bunch of check engine lights and stuff for all for the, obviously the transmission. I got service four-wheel drive for the front end. But other than that, everything's pretty kosher. Like I said, it drives fine. I just need to get everything wrapped up now. Really can't complain too much. Figure out a good mount for this camera on the dash. We're used to GoPro, but the GoPro's on the back right now. It's this sort of thing. But we're gonna go do some polls with the drone and see if we get in trouble or not. See what kind of fly zone we're in. But it should be fun. We'll get some videos done and do some follow me or whatever. It'd be pretty cool.